So who is 101 is the CEO. CEO is not reporting to anyone because he is the manager. So when you look at 103 is a director, and he is also reporting the CEO, that is 101. Meanwhile, when you look at maybe 106, 106 is a consultant and he is reporting to 103. Hey, who is 103? 103 is your director here. You can see this. So if I want to see the hierarchy, then you can use a DAX called a path. So you can use a path DAX function in Power BI. So path, it is asking you the ID of the column name and the parent column name. So you can read the document here, like which column means your ID column and the parent column. So if you just scroll down and look at the example here, so this is path. You are using a DAX path function, and it is employee ID, and here employee or parent employee key. Okay, so let us use that in our DAX here. So let me create a new column. I mean a new column because I want it to be in a new column. So I'll be taking a new column here, and I'll be using a DAX called path, and here it is asking you the ID of the column. So which ID you are talking about? So we are talking about the, let us go with the employee ID first. So employee ID, comma. So the parent column is your manager ID, and let me close this and enter it. Yeah. So now you can see you got an output. So if you look at 102 employee, he is reporting 101. So you have to see from the left to right to the left. So if you are seeing 30103, which is a director, he is reporting 101. So 103 is reporting 101, and if you look at 105 is reporting 104, 104 is reporting 102, 102 is reporting 101, and so on.